Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to change your YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing what you are going to do, open your YouTube here, then go to profile section. This is the profile picture, click there and go to YouTube Studio. Then after that go to content here. Then as this shown here, these are the videos. So I want to change the second thumbnail, this one. Remove dots between words in Microsoft Word. So I want to change this thumbnail. So what you are going to do, just choose the video and click here. It looks like pencil, click there. Then scroll it down as this shown here. I want to change this one. So scroll it down like this, and here thumbnail, you'll find it here. I have to click the three dots here, then go to change, and from here you have to choose. This one is the first one, the already existed thumbnail, so I want to change the second one. Click there and open. As this shown, it is uploading. After some time it will replace it. Then finally you have to click here, save. As this shown here, it is already changed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.